Hi, it's Zarik Daniel, and I think the camera is running, and I'm sitting in a beautiful spot that I found. I'm in the border, I'm in Mulholland Drive, and it's very nice. And it's kind of, I was looking for a place to put my video, and here I find it, and I'm a little bit, I cannot show my surrounding because this camera is in front of the laptop, and it's a very beautiful spot, and we go step by step because I'm just starting to put multiple, video after video. It means it. This is my strategy, actually. Because it's all about not just following whatever this cooperative world that in general I will kind of define them as a Masonic Freemason chain of, people that I have evidence. You don't. Maybe for maybe in the past you should, for exposing these things, you should go to the lodges and do tons of things. But just right now, because they think they are smart, because they think they are part of the ruling class, and with the finances and with all these powers, they can rule over us, and we cannot speak out against them. They just give all the platform to us because they think we are small. But it's like that the Christ that he was it's a it was Easter, right? And Easter in some way is a pagan religion, paganism in some way. But let me just go to my point, because the title of this video is sleeping in a car, because sometimes I see the voice is just getting caught. I should know when it's getting caught to to stop and follow my speech. And when so it's running, right? So it's running. Yeah. The other thing is sleeping in a car. And because we are forced to live like this, because the agenda is what type of agenda is, the agenda is getting to AI world, getting to the world that they are just entertaining us through the movies, right? I hope this part will pop up again. Let's see what happened. That's why I'm saying everything is went off. I need to check that it's working. Okay, everything is working, because I put a lot of things. Like I need to show a lot of things in this video. So my beautiful pen. So as you see, the title is very evident. The title is just sleeping in a car strategy. So here it is, USA Math. I wrote here sleeping in a car because I have a little bit flaw into my gadgets. Sleeping in against ride sharing scam. I don't know this word of scam because I can scam. So you see this part, but why this is a scam? Why the scam? Because I need to go with the blue. Because the agenda is like this, spaceships like that, you live in a spaceship, and Mars project, they want to squeeze you, and it's all about their fun, it's all about their fun. And the evidence of this, because I need to show this one. I need to go here. When I'm in lonely screen, I hope my lonely screen is running. Okay, is it working? Yes. Why this is because I'm just okay. Let me check, because I need to check. So I need to run it again, because I know Uber, because there was one video that I said end of the world, and the plan of these Freemasons that in 2018 was going to be implemented. Right now it's not that I want to sleep in my car. I don't have any other choice, and then optimization of my situation is just gonna reason that. Because right now, I'm putting this video, so I'm leveling myself up. I'm doing something. But then the point is, let's see why this, when I'm just recording, why this lonely screen. Maybe it's the pressure. I started work, because I need to just show you. One of the things is maybe later. So this is a beautiful thing. A sleepy shot. The other thing is, I have this earthquake. I'm following the earthquake because I am time believer. There are a lot of earthquakes around, but here you know, I slept in that, you know, my car, I changed my, ah, man, whatever the reason is, stops to go. Maybe it's a technology problem, but, you know, I have no idea why this is not working. It's amazing. When I'm starting to record, okay, it's working so far. I'm gonna try to do my best because I need to show, at least I have a lot of things in the photo. Maybe later, when I'm pushing, maybe later, and I should push this one. You know, because there is no problem with my car. When I'm seeing my car, I'm gonna put the 3D view. You can watch it on Google, just in case it didn't happen. So I'm seeing that this Zarek Daniel TV is not working because, you know, it's okay if it's not working. It's no problem because the point is they gave me 4.7 star, and then I want to expose this labor. You know, there is no standard on the scheme of looking for TV. Are you kidding me? It's just this, you know, they don't let me to show you guys. Maybe later. Anyway, for me it's kind of evident that when I'm just into this platform, it's not working. It's just amazing, right? It's amazing. I love it. Maybe I should do it again. It's amazing. I love that it's not working, you know. I love this situation that I am in and it's not working, and I love it because it's not working. It's okay. It's okay. You know, I just want to show you beautiful things in my phone and the abuse of these people, that they just put people in really a lot of hours of work and you're not getting anywhere. Actually, I was showing it. So as you see, I go to Ocean, I work hard, and then I was going to show, you know, when I'm just telling who are these people, it's amazing who are these people. The thing is here, one of these lodges, you know, I mean, the thing is, we are in their control, you know, we are under their control. So, you know, I mean, I need to show this one. Okay, this one of my video was relevant to this one, the Wilshire Lodge. They call it some Marconio Art Foundation. I don't know why this is not showing. Why this is not showing. Why this is not showing. Maybe it's a lot of load. Man, this is Nazi symbolism. That, as you see, Armenian, because we were the first who were kind of Armenian genocide happened. It's all sun worship and amazing. Armenian has a lion and this eagle. It's double-headed. It's this deep, you know, esoteric, occultic, you know. You have this this is amazing. I was in Santa Monica and I saw these lodges. Just check these lodges. Palisade Lodge, Beverly Hills Lodge, Wilshire, that is the main. The Wilshire is the main one, man. I mean, oh my goodness. Check this one. It's the amazing, you know, this one. I hope I was going to go back. I need to go back here. Because that was full of symbolism, you know, because why we are in this situation, why me with all this knowledge, because I was going to show you, I know Visual Studio, I know SQL, I know Office, I know AutoCAD. I was not able to show my knowledge in AutoCAD, mathematics, painting, doing this, all these things. I'm struggling and nobody hires me and nobody talks to me, nobody comes to visit my webpage. It's all because they are Brotherhood of Freemasons. And you know, I have no choice of not sleeping in my car. I mean, it's a strategy, right? I mean, you need to use all this, whatever comes along. And do you see, just check the symbolism just front of it, because in that video, it's on Wilshire. You just put the Wilshire Masonic Lodge. I mean, this double-headed, man, because I need to put my face. I cannot go with my face right now because, okay, my face here, because I was going to write something. So you see all these things. You don't need, you just search it. These people are, you know, I need to go to this one. Then through these lodges, I mean, I need to clean this one. And then, you know, the other thing, one of the beautiful thing, you have missing childs, right? Because they are molesting and killing kids. Killing the kids. It's not working anyway. Killing the kids. Actually, they rape them. They kill. All this world that you see around us, it is beautiful in surface. In reality is the scam. And scam and schematic companies come out of it, you know. And the other thing is I need to show here that I created this, you know, you need to communicate with me, because I am not a person who exposing only kind of, you know, them, but I'm just showing the way to survive and how to be smart. It's not bad to sleep in a car, man. It's just the only way that you can survive. And the other thing is just check, you know, if you gave me, you got, I mean, here you see the pages, right? If anybody helps me $1,000, just check how much my life will, $1,000, right? How much this graph will change, you know? I mean, because I think, just check in which month, I think on May I had the most pressure, right? When I'm pushing this, I ran the macro. When it comes to May, if I delete the $1,000, I mean, here is the May, right? I mean, I need to just go back to System Engine. And then here, if I delete this 1,000, if I make it 0, see how pressure it comes in. It's just like if I go back to the main, as you see, it's just like a knife into my 500. This is horrible. You know, there is on my YouTube that I am just working just crazy, the maintenance, the oil change, and all these things. You get nowhere, you know. I mean, it's impossible to survive. And all this system comes from where? Come from these Masonic lodges. They just have these secret meetings here. They are everywhere. Glendale, Palisade, Beverly Hills. I mean, they're alive. These secret people. The United States is based on this. And I think I already went through all of it, and I wish I was going to show because I was going to show in SQL. I just want to show evidence that I know SQL. You just use the Northwind database, and from Northwind database you select address, and I edit this one, and you just get the data. Because how they control us, because the cameras and everything, they collect data. They collect data, they analyze, but when the engine goes, right now the Illuminati engine is running, and there is no other way. I mean, you must sleep in your car to survive. And as you see, if I pay some rent here, I mean, every month, if I just go and, you know, I can show you, because if you go here, because that's why I'm just want to show you the clear evidence that if you go here and if you just put the rent, I mean, I'm gonna go for rent, right? Just rent and taxes, right? I'm gonna go for rent and taxes, right? So I'm gonna push the rent and taxes. And as you see, taxes are 0, right? Let's say 150 tax here, right? 150, another 150. It's a little bit slow. If I punch a couple of 150s, like, so I'm not gonna able to rent. Let's say rent is not. Let's say 800. And how many rent is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5, and I'm gonna put 800. That is 4,000. I'm gonna put 4,000 here, and for taxation, I forgot. I'm gonna punch 150, 450 here. So it's ready to put. Just check what is gonna happen to the graph. Just check what is gonna happen to the graph. This is the way, you know, because you don't have the Excel, and just check. Everything is minus. I mean, can you live like that? This is a killing. This is the way. This is the reality of your life, right? So they filter. I mean, I cannot go for how I filter that. I went here, so I removed the filter, and I just went. I'm not paying taxes right now. I'm not paying rent, right? So I'm okay. So right now this is the reality. So rent is 124, 124, 124, and I'm not paying taxes. I can't pay taxes. What? This is 124. That's a kind of edit. Taxation 0, 124. I'm paying for storage. I'm putting my things on the storage. I'm so hygiene. Everything is fine. So far, everything is working. So here is corrected, and you're gonna remove the filter and go back, and this is the reality. I mean, in reality, this is a real life that Uber and Lyft and all this cooperation puts us. But reality, we are dead. You know, I just put the tax and I just put the rent, and I'm not paying high rent and I'm not paying high taxes. This is the way they control you. I want you to have this Excel sheet to work with me and join me.